Jan? Ja, thanks. My presentation is about the subject mobile phones should be banned in schools for both students and teachers. Students in many schools regularly use their cell phones in class, trying to hide them from the teachers instead of paying attention in class. Cell phones were originally against the school rules, even at Govan, but when time went by, no one seemed to care about the rules anymore. But I think cell phones should still be banned from school, for both teachers and students, and here are my three arguments. First one is from experience, because I'm quite the expert on this subject. I've been on school, because I've been on this school for so long. And the argument is that if cell phones go off in class, the whole class is immediately distracted, and the teacher has to stop teaching. And this happens multiple times a day, sometimes multiple times in one class. So you lose a lot of time in which the teacher could be teaching some important things about the subject. No one will be paying attention, because a cell phone that goes off is obviously more important at that moment. The second argument is from an expert called Mr. Armstrong, and he says that if cell phones are allowed in school, students will do nothing more but text and stay on social media all day, and they wouldn't learn anything, and the grades would go down. And I agree with Armstrong, because if you're on your phone the whole time, you're gonna miss a lot of information that might be important for your test. And if you don't know that information, you're not going to get a good grade. And then your grades would go down, and all because you're on your phone the whole time. The third argument is from a study done by the School Inspection of the United States of America. And that is if a teacher is on their cell phone, the students tend to go on their cell phone too, because they think if the teacher is allowed to use their cell phone, the students think they can also use the cell phones. And I agree. Because if I see a teacher on his cell phone, I think we're having a break in class, and so I can use my cell phone. And I see multiple students doing the same thing, so why not? And if the teacher doesn't say anything, but now in a few minutes the whole class is on their cell phone and no one is working. Yeah. So my conclusion is that cell phones should be banned in schools, because they're just bad for grade and no one is working, paying attention or anything. But only if they're banned for both teachers and students, otherwise I think it won't have any effect. And this was my presentation. At the end.